Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys two ways to edit vertical videos using iMovie for macOS. Launch iMovie and create a new app preview. Drag the video you wish to edit into the timeline and start editing it. Options for adding titles are limited and different in new app preview mode. Options for backgrounds are also different and limited, but you can do transitions freely. Once you are done editing the video, simply export it by setting resolution to 1080p, quality to custom highest bitrate, and compression to better quality. Open your video in QuickTime Player to preview it. It will be a perfect vertical video with no black spaces at the sides. Resolution is set at 600 by 1080p. If you wish to export higher quality vertical videos in 4K, please stay tuned for my next video by clicking the subscribe button. Take care guys. Bye.